Welcome to this in-depth review of FlexiFY.io, a cloud storage solution designed to simplify multi-cloud management. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about FlexiFY.io, especially if you're new to cloud storage. FlexiFY.io is unique because it allows users to connect multiple cloud providers, like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, through a single platform. This service enables seamless data transfer and management across different cloud storage accounts, making it an ideal choice for anyone needing a versatile solution to handle large data volumes across multiple cloud environments. FlexiFY.io's primary advantage is its ability to reduce data transfer costs between clouds, which is often a significant expense for businesses relying on more than one cloud provider. FlexiFY.io's system uses high-speed transfer and advanced optimization techniques to minimize these costs, allowing businesses to focus on efficiency without overspending. Pricing is also a key topic of interest. FlexiFY.io's pricing model is transparent and scalable, depending on the data volume and providers involved. Users are only charged for the data they move between providers, which can save money for those with fluctuating data needs. For example, if you only occasionally transfer data between clouds, you may find FlexiFY.io to be cost-effective compared to fixed-rate models. When it comes to security, FlexiFY.io ensures data integrity by working with secure APIs provided by cloud vendors, so your data remains protected throughout each transfer. However, it's worth noting that FlexiFY.io acts as an intermediary, so you'll need to trust both FlexiFY.io and your original cloud provider's security policies. One point some users mention as a downside is that FlexiFY.io may not be as beneficial for single cloud users who don't require inter-cloud transfers, as the pricing structure and services are more tailored to multi-cloud users. However, for those managing diverse cloud infrastructures, FlexiFY.io offers tremendous value. Now, an important side note. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever with no annual subscription at the link in the description. In conclusion, FlexiFY.io is a powerful solution for businesses needing flexible, cost-effective, and efficient data transfers across multiple cloud providers. It's a specialized tool ideal for those juggling multiple cloud environments and looking to cut costs while ensuring data integrity. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated with more insightful reviews like this.